great choice today with the 2015 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.